this guy. I'm not talking about a one-nighter, no. And I'm not talking about prison. I mean, if things turned out just right and a certain circumstance had arisen. For example, his girlfriend left him 'cause she was cheating. I called him up for an emergency meeting. That's when he called me up 'cause I'm his best friend. He said, Murray, can you bring all of the sadness to an end? Oh, 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 oh. And it started with a glass of Zinfandel, and I felt my fingers tingle. We looked outside, it began to sprinkle like this. And just when I thought nothing could ease the pain, I broke out 2 flute glasses and we drank mimosas in the rain. Mimosas in the rain. Freshly squeezed orange juice and champagne. Mimosas in the rain. And we were sitting on a pier looking out o'er the Pacific. We talked about my relationship and I got specific. He said, thanks for being here. I said, I'll always be around. We had 5 more mimosas and I woke up with my pants down. And I thought I had gone insane. But we didn't do it in vain. Why did you do it? Can, come on. We did it after drinking mimosas in the rain. Mimosas in the rain. Low acid. Orange juice and champagne. Mimosas in the rain. All my life I've had one foot in the closet and the other one on a stiletto heel. All my life I've had one foot in the closet and the other one on a banana peel. Well, I think he slipped. I think the shoe fits. We're lighting the lovers. Oh, hey! And I can't believe we had unprotected sex all night long. Oh, John Murray, if that ain't right, man, I don't ever wanna be wrong. My ass has never been so sore. I shouldn't have let you in the back door. Oh, oh. And why did we do it? And what were we thinking? All I remember is drinking mimosas in the rain. Mimosas in the rain. Home-style, pulp-free. Orange juice and champagne. Mimosas in the rain. And it's okay. It's alright. We were gay for just a night. And it's alright. It's okay. We were gay for just a day. And we went back to being friends. And we'll let that night remain. I said I'll never roger another man again unless we drink mimosas in the rain. Mimosas in the rain. Not from concentrate. Never. Orange juice and champagne.